guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're doing some fried rice. I have rice here, some garlic and some white onions, eggs and bell pepper. So today I'm going to chop some white onions. You could use red onions if you like, but right now I have only white onions available. So I'll just finishing all the white onions before I'm going to go to the grocery again to get some red onions. So I make some fried rice every now and then. Today I'm going to mix two eggs, half of the red bell pepper, and some garlic. Then now we're just gonna chop the white onions. Then now I'm going to beat two eggs. I'm using two large eggs. And this fried rice, you guys, is really easy to make. This is really good in chicken or anything in the morning. Filipino loves to eat rice. Some of the Filipino loves to eat rice in the morning. I'm not used to right now, but yeah, this one is okay for dinner or afternoon lunch, so it's good. So right now I put some coconut oil, and then I put the egg. Then I'll just going to cook this egg, spread it apart so it's gonna have a nice small parts to mix with the rice later on. Then after that, we will going to set aside the cooked eggs because we're just going to mix it up later. Then now, we're going to put a little bit of coconut oil. We are going to saute first the garlic. Make sure the garlic will be transformed to light brown. Then we're going to add our white onions. That's what I said a while ago. You could use red onions if you have red onions available. After that, we are going to put our red bell pepper. You could still use different kinds of vegetables, you guys. Right now, this is the only vegetable that I have in the fridge. I'm just finishing everything. And you could put something that it's easy to cook, some green beans, some red bell pepper. If you want, you could put some carrots as well, and make sure the carrots is cooked or half cooked before you put, so it's gonna be easy to cook together with the other ingredients that you put in your fried rice. Now we are going to put our rice. You could use freshly cooked rice. You could use some rice leftovers from yesterday or the other day. Right now, I use my leftover rice from yesterday. So this one is really fine to use in a fried rice. You could use a freshly cooked rice, but now I'm not using it, and I haven't used any fresh or freshly cooked rice. When I make a fried rice, it's always the leftover rice from yesterday or the other day. So right now we're just going to mix every ingredients that we put so it will well incorporated and it's gonna be mixed well together with all the ingredients. I remember, you guys, my grandfather teach me how to make a very crispy, not really crispy, but well crisp, soft fried rice. So I flatten the rice, then I'm going to make it cook a little bit crisp under, and later on I'll just going to mix and then again. Right now, I just put some pepper, some salt to taste, and it's depend on you guys if what kind of spices you like. For me, right now, I just want to be simple, and as you can see, I just mix it up after a few seconds, or you could put like a minute or so for your fried rice to cook well, or if you want to be a little bit of crisp or crisp under the fried rice, you could have it. But for me, I just like mix, then flatten, mix, flatten, so it's gonna be like perfectly and equally crisp, soft fried rice. Now we're going to put a little bit of soy sauce, maybe 1 teaspoon to 1.5 teaspoon of soy sauce. And then I'm going to put also some oyster sauce. So probably 1 teaspoon to 2 teaspoon oyster sauce, depend on your taste. Some can use 2 teaspoon, 3 teaspoon. It's depend also how much rice you put for your fried rice. Now we're just going to mix until well combine our soy sauce and our oyster sauce together with other ingredients and with other rice. But because pepper is life for my husband, I'll just add up some pepper, but it's an optional, you guys. You guys, this is me every time I make fried rice. It's always messy, so sorry guys for a messy stove, but it's fine as long as my fried rice is good. And if you make some fried rice, you can still add up any ingredients you want or any vegetable you like. And voila, our fried rice is ready. If you're going to make fried rice, you guys be creative. Imagine any ingredients you want to put in your fried rice. And thank you guys for joining. Au revoir, you guys.